Hi everyone! Do you want to blow everyone's mind for Thanksgiving dinner? Then this really cute turkey message or name holder is perfect for you. It's super easy to make, so if you want to do so, follow me and let's craft together. First, you want to cut all the different parts in the Cricut design space. You can find the link in the description to access it. You will also need some glue or glue pen, a straw, a glue gun, as well as double-sided foam square to add some dimension to your project. And now it's time to assemble. If you like this project, check my other videos for more. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time and happy crafting!